Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Apache JMeter on Windows operating system. So to install Apache JMeter, it is very important to have Java installed on your system. So if you haven't installed Java previously, you can always follow this video to know how to install Java. Once you have Java installed, you can always verify whether Java is properly installed on your system or not. So for that, just go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt. And within command prompt, if you just simply type java space dash dash version and hit enter, you are going to get this type of prompt. So if you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means is your Java is rightly installed on your system, and now you are good to start installing your Apache JMeter. So just go to your favorite browser and just simply type Apache JMeter download, hit enter. So that will show you this jmeter.apache.org. So just simply go to their official site. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you will get these binaries over here. So there are basically two links. One is this tzz file, another is zip file. So you're going to download this zip file. So just click on that, and that's going to immediately start downloading our Apache JMeter. I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to cancel it. I minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here is our Apache JMeter. Just right click and extract it over here. So click on extract. So rightly started extracting. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. And there you go. So you can see that our Apache JMeter is rightly extracted over here. So if you go inside, you will get this Apache JMeter version 5.6.3. So if you again go inside this folder, you will get all files and folders over here. So let's go a directory back and right click and cut this folder and go to your C drive and just right click and paste that Apache JMeter folder over here. So what we are going to do first is we are going to download that zip file of Apache JMeter, and then we are going to extract it. After extracting it, we are going to put it on our C drive. So now if you go inside, you will get a bin folder over here. So go inside and you will get all files and folders over here. So this path you need to put on our environment variable. So just copy this and go to search and just simply type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variable and click on path over here and click on edit. So that will open this edit environment variable window. Click on new and right click and paste that JMeter path over here. Click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. And now you need to simply run this Apache JMeter.jar file. Let's, for convenience, create a desktop shortcut. So send to desktop shortcut, and you can now just simply close this folder. You never need to open this folder to run JMeter. You can just simply use this shortcut from your desktop. Just double click on it and our JMeter is rightly started opening, and there you go. So this is our Apache JMeter. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of Apache JMeter on your Windows operating system. Please do like, share and subscribe. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, then I'm sure you're going to love this playlist. So do check out our other tutorials on our channel. So with Enter source code, I am providing this tutorial, and that too for completely free. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.